Let us talk about another AI visual, which is going to be a decomposition tree. I personally like this feature a lot, this visualization a lot, because as the name suggests, you can actually decompose the value, the parameter that you have, and you'll be able to know the root cause. Okay, let us see. And for this, we will be creating another page, and I will be renaming this as DT, which is decomposition tree. And let me add the visual first. And let me drag it. Again, you can see the bulb icon over here, which is related to an AI. And let me just put it into the focus mode. So we'll be able to see the values clearly over the screen. And now you can see that I need to drag and drop the values, the fields over here into analyze, explain by, and tooltip. So I need to analyze the revenue. So let me just search for the revenue and let me just drag and drop it over here into analyze. And now we can quickly see a bar is coming, which is entirely one single color, because this is the total revenue field that I am getting. Apart from this, I'm not getting anything. So it's okay. Okay, this is the total revenue. Now I can decompose it. I can further break it down to see the root cause. Suppose I'll come over here and search for the category name, which is going to be this one. I'll drop it into explain by. The moment I drop it, you will notice in this I am getting a plus sign. It means I can expand it. I can decompose this based on the category name. Number one. No worries. What I'll do, I'll also drop in the subcategory name over here along with this category name into explain by. And one more thing, which is going to be product name. I'll drag and drop the product name over here into explain by. And now you can see I am not getting anything extra, but this plus sign is coming up. Once I click on this plus sign, I will be having 5 different options. Why 5? 2 are common, which is high value and low value. Apart from that, I'm getting the 3 more options, which is the name of the fields that we have into explain by, right? So I'll talk about these 2 options, which has the bulb icon. Remember, I've told you this is related to AI. I'll talk about that in a minute. First of all, let me just explain how this looks like for these 3 things, which is category name, subcategory name, and product name. So I know myself that this is category name is something which is the broader level. So once I click on this, you will notice a very beautiful expansion of that revenue, and division of the revenue is showing in 3 different categories, which we have the bikes, accessories, and clothing. And the bar along with the color shows the contribution of revenue by each category in the overall revenue. Number one. Apart from that, you can also see we are having the plus sign in front of each category. Why? Because we can expand it to the next level, which is either subcategory or maybe directly to the product. But I'll just go by the hierarchy and I'll just expand it by the subcategory name. Once I click, you will notice it will create another decomposition based on this. And why this is in a dark color? Because right now we are seeing the subcategories for bikes. The moment I select the accessories, now you'll notice that it is having this dark color, and now we can see the values or the breakdown of accessories into subcategories. And I'll select the clothing, and similar values will get but related to clothing, right? And let me just keep the bike selected. It has more data to show up, which looks quite good to see as a demo. Now I can further expand. You can see the plus sign is coming. I can click on the plus sign, and now you'll notice it is showing me the product name. I'll click and I'll expand it to the product's name, right? I can scroll down. Look at that. I'll scroll down and you can see the values which are coming up. Let me just scroll up a little bit and you can see the values are there. Based on the revenue we have generated in each product, this is actually getting that bar filled up. So this is how it is. One more option I would like to show. Once I hover over onto the name, you can see a lock sign is coming. This lock is basically locking the level. As you can see, it is also appearing. So suppose I want to keep at least category name as at least level that should show as the decomposition. So I'll simply click on this lock. Now you will notice that cross symbol is gone. It means I won't be able to cross this or remove this level unless I unlock it. So I'll close it, but I can't cross it. So as a developer of the report, you can actually decide to have which one you want to lock and which one you want to keep unlocked. I also unlock it. I want to unlock it. I'll just cross it because I need to talk about the values along with the bulb icon. So I'll click on this plus sign and you have the high value and low value. Now, let me tell you one thing. Although the results will look similar in our case study, but generally you will find different if you have some other set of data. Why I'm saying that? Because high value means that it will start decomposing the revenue based on the high value, irrespective of the level of hierarchy. Suppose if you think that category is something which is the highest level or will be highest grouping, and that should come as a high value. In our case, it will come. But maybe sometimes you think in that way, but the actual picture is something different. In that case, maybe it will show you subcategory or product, but totally upon its own analysis using artificial intelligence. So let me show you. Once I click on the high value, now we will be getting category name. This is just a coincidence, right? And you can see a dotted line because it is actually showing because this view is different when it comes to the AI, and you can see the bulb icon is also coming, right? Once I click on this plus icon and let me just go with the low value. Let me show you how it works. The low value, and now you'll notice that we are getting product name. We are not getting subcategory name. Why? Because I have selected low value. Let me just cross it and go with a high value. Then you will notice that it will show me the category, subcategory name, because it is the next level of value. So this is what I was explaining you, and this way you can expand it and let this AI visual work and give you the better results. So it's entirely up to you. Do you want to go with your hierarchy or you want it to show based on the high or low value? I hope you are going to use this visual. This is also very nice to use it as the part of your report. Thank you so much.